Guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I have a screencast for you guys today, just a short video or a bonus video. We'll see how long this goes. We're going to look at some different stuff, but Copart has been doing a lot of expansion into different niches, into different markets. I really haven't seen a lot of other companies do this, and this one is specifically for dealers. Where I'm a dealer, a wholesale dealer out of Kansas, I automatically pop up on the list, and they have this new thing called Select. Now, what's cool about this is there's 650 Select vehicles for sale. They're clean wholesale value. They show you what the value is. 22 grand on this Legacy. Current bid, $100, right? Look at this. Clean wholesale value. These are all clean titled wholesale cars. This is kind of putting Copart into an entirely different market now. This is Copart competing with Odessa, Mannheim, places like this. And what I love about this is I don't have to be there. I can see it. I can see the vehicles run. I can go through all the photos. And they're actually not bad. Now, we all know how this works. If you've been following me for a minute, we all know that once like a new thing on Copart gets found out, or there's another niche or another thing, eventually these cars will get bid up, and then they'll be kind of comparable to what you would see at Odessa or Mannheim. But right now, if you're a dealer, this right here is a massive steal. I mean, check this one out, right? This Buick LaCrosse, it's got 133,000 miles, 11 grand wholesale, right? It's at $125. I mean, this is ridiculous. Let's just take let's take a look at this Tahoe. Now, I don't know about this. They're saying clean wholesale value on that Tahoe is 48 grand. I think that's a little off, because I'm seeing those wholesale right now for like 30, 32. So I think that's a little off, but there's going to be flyers everywhere. Look at this one. This Impala is prime. Like, all right, this is for my food stamp, cheap, buy here, pay here dealers. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, this right here, let's look at this one. Let's just take a look at this Impala real quick. 2005 Chevy Impala. Like, this car is a massive money maker. I mean, clean wholesale value $4,200. All right, it's clean. Let's look at all the photos. Man, I'd run this thing through a quick detail, shine it up, get those window guards off, because, you got to get the farts out the seats, all that good stuff. Y'all know how that goes. But this right here with a quick little detail, interior, exterior detail, probably $150, $200. And if I can get this car, right, if I could win this vehicle, and look, I don't even know if there's a check engine light. I don't see one. I mean, it would say it over there where it says door ajar, but if I could get this car for like $1,200 and like another $250 in an exterior paint correction, interior detail, I mean, it looks like somebody took a dump right there on the back seat, though. Ugh, that's gross. That's kind of nasty, to be honest. But look, the engine on these were always good. I never had an issue with this car. I've had one of these. I think, what was it? The harmonic balancer, is that what they call it? In the front was the only thing I ever had that went bad. It is on approval. There's 4 days left on the auction. Currently, nobody bid on it. I mean, it's literally like, some of these deals, some of the stuff that's available on here is kind of ridiculous. I mean, here's another one. 2015 Impala LT. Like, these Impalas are moneymakers. I'm not going to get into why they're moneymakers. Y'all know why they're moneymakers. But man, if you're a small wholesale dealer, wait a minute. No, that's an X3. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I was like, let me find out they got an X5 in here. Here's a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Clean title, 81 grand. I bet you that doesn't go anywhere near that, but I guarantee you, whoever's selling it's not going to let it go. This 2022 330E, wholesale value at $39,000, is smoking crack. That car is going for like maybe 29 or 30 right now. I mean, you're going to have outliers pretty much everywhere. I mean, it just what here's an X5. Okay, now Nah, that's a 23. I mean, some of these vehicles we know are going to be outside a small dealer range. Like, all right, here's another. Someone's going to get mad that I call it this. Here's another food stamp car. But let's take a look at the pictures. Look, Copart Select. Green light, yellow light. See that? Which also, this one has a yellow light. All right? So what that means is it's, it probably runs and drives, but it has a check engine light. Or let's go right here and see. Yep, it's got a check engine light. All right? That could be something as simple as a gas cap. Something very easy. Nothing crazy. But this right here, man. Jeez. This right here. And it's got the nice seats. I think this was the first year when they... Was this the first year that the Malibu came back where it was like North American Car of the Year or whatever? I think so. That body style. So, 150,000 miles. It does have the crap 4-cylinder engine in it. The same engine that we have in the Trax. Or I don't know. I think the Trax is smaller. Maybe it's the one that's in the Cruise and a couple other ones. But, yeah, I don't know. But, like I said, it is super crazy. And look, we can go to buy it now. Look at this. They have some in here now where you could just buy it now. You don't even have to go to the auction. You could find one and say, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's look at the Ultima, the Hood Star Ultima here. What is the buy? I click buy it now. Yeah, look. Buy this vehicle now for $19,700 without an auction. You could buy it now. All right. Would I buy this car for 19 grand? No. No, I wouldn't. It's also a yellow light. No, I would not buy this. Now, clean wholesale is $25,475. Is there money to be made on this? Yes, there is. But, I mean, damn. It looks like a BMW in that instrument cluster. My bad. I mean, I've bought these Nissans before. I think the last one I had was a 20... Was it a 21 or a 22? And I didn't do bad on it. So it really just depends, man. Look, 6 issues have been detected. That's crazy. And you can go check it out. It's a rental vehicle sale. You know this thing's been put through hell. Somebody dogged this out all day and twice on Sundays. It is what it is. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring this forward for you guys today to give you guys something different. You guys had asked, I have friends of mine that are dealers that watch the channel, and you guys were asking me for different stuff, and this is interesting new stuff from Copart. It's very similar to like the electric car auction they're doing now, and they're going to be doing auctions that are like strictly Hellcat, all kinds of cool stuff that is coming soon, so stay tuned. Let's look and see for you guys that are like, well, I don't have a license. Can I still bid? Yep. Look, they got cars available that you can bid on with no dealer license. Even though this is supposed to be dealer only auction, which means you can snipe. And if you don't know what snipe means, it means you can snipe one of these vehicles. Let's look at this Ford Fusion real quick before we get out of here. All right. No license required. If you have a Copart account, you could bid on this. It even has the spoiler on the back. That's got to add like 15 horsepower, right? Clean interior, nice little detail. It's got the food stamp radio in it. It's missing the engine cover. Hey, it even comes with WeatherTech mats. Look at that, man. Somebody cared. What is it going for right now? Clean wholesale is $14,350. It does have the 1.5 liter Ford. It's got the following issues: maintenance, safety, other, and emissions. Oof, that's a lot of problems. You could buy it right now. Now, what is it, a 2018? Damn. You could buy it right now. Buy it now. $7,500. Damn. And the bid on the car right now is $15. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. That is insane. Matter of fact, we might have to screen. Let me download those. photos so I can use that as a thumbnail. But that's a deal. That is a deal. But anyways, there's something different. You guys were asking me about it. Now you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.